nose intake, make it clap back. Ass super fat like a double wrap blueberry flat. Must be one of the thickest stickers. Weird motherfuckers always asking if I tap that. So how am I gonna come up with this next bar? I don't know. How am I gonna wait? Hey, I said.
Hey, welcome channel. Today we're gonna be making another video. We're gonna be riding the dirt bike and oh god, my nephew's leaning on it. Hopefully he don't fall over, but we're gonna be making another YouTube video. We're just gonna be jumping a few things. Just something short. Got the neighbor's dog down here. She's pregnant.
It's 17.
I think she's pregnant with my dog Moochie's or my dog Blaze's up there, but Moochie he passed away. I'll show.
In the cave.
Yeah, he's in heaven.
Yeah, with a dog heaven.
Yep, dog heaven.
Where this one going, right?
Eventually, every dog goes to dog heaven.
Yeah.
Oh, watch out! Watch out!
It's that baby Blaze.
Watch out!
It's that baby Blaze too, right?
Baby Blaze too, yeah. They're rolling together. Come on, buddy. Come on, let's go say hi to Moochie. So, about a week and a half ago, or 2 weeks, we buried him here. I put a stick because, you know, he loves to eat sticks, and I got his favorite toy as well. But this is his little site. I want to put some flowers down and make it a little cute memorial, but I don't know. It was just a lot on me, so I haven't been doing much lately. But hey, buddy, I have to always visit him. It's like a necessary thing to do for me now. But let's jump straight to the point. I hope you all enjoy, and thank you. Right before we jump to the point, actually, I have one more thing to say. Look right here at how many of you guys are subscribed, and how many of you are not. It's just how many people watches the video and is not subscribed, and how many is. But make sure you like and subscribe the video. We're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers. I know we're nowhere close, but I would love to hit 1,000 subscribers, so eventually I could start getting monetized and making some money off of it, because this is something that I actually enjoy doing. So maybe it can be like a little money hobby for me, you know. But make sure you like, subscribe, comment on the video, and turn on notifications so you know when the next banger releases. Thank you. Hey, Mr. Dragonfly. Dragonfly? What the fuck, Firefly? I'm retarded. Hey, buddy. Hey. Come here. Come here. Come here. I got him. Oh. Oh. No, he's on the camera. Get off. I think... Never mind. Yeah, we're good.
Oh, don't step right there.
Be careful.
This might
Oh, I missed that sound. Hey, tell me y'all saw that slide. Woo, it's slippery. God, it's really slippery. Woo! Phew! Watch out, buddy. God! I about hit Blaze. Oh, Jesus. A fucking moped? What the fuck? What? A fucking moped? What the fuck was that? From the front, it looked like a little crotch bucket. I took a bigger look at it, it kind of looked like a moped. What was that? What in the world? That thing was weird looking. Up here, I don't think I've rode up here with you guys yet. I'll show you how this place is. Man, I love riding up here. You can hit this little curve right here going up. I swear to God. I did it all this season. Woo! Around right here. Don't tear up the gravel, Evan. Woo! Save that. I saved the fuck out of that one. Woo! Oh my god. I got my adrenaline up right there. Let's see if we can pop a little wheelie. We'll turn around right here. Neighbors are not going to be fond of me going through here. They don't like me very much. I can see. I see. Oh, dust all everywhere. See if we can do a little. See, this is why I like love these gravels right here, man. I love sliding my back tire around, just fishtailing. I swear that shit's so fun. Woo! Golly! Oh my god! I about lost you there. Alright, let's not talk about that. Let's get off this gravel before I crash. Oh my god. That was funny as hell. Woo! I'm riding in hay-doos, man. This is not a good idea. Woo! Damn! Oh my god. Damn. Oh man. Y'all think we could jump that right there? That right there, y'all think we could jump that? I think we can. I think that's light work. Let's give it a go. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Put it in fucking neutral. Goddamn, Evan, you're a dumbass. Excuse my language. Jesus. Evan, you're a real dumbass. Oh my god, I love clutching. I love hitting my clutch, like just holding it and just whamming the gas right there. I like doing a little bunny hop every time. It's so fun. Yeah! Damn. Let's do some donuts. That sounds... I want to do some donuts. Yeah, it'll be alright right here. my shoe! I lost my shoe! No! Fuck! My shoe! Ah! My hey dude! Watch out, buddy. Let's see if I can put it on while driving by here. Nah, fuck that. I can't do that. Sideways and everything. Damn. I'm gonna get us a wheelie one time, and then I think we might call it, because I gotta go watch a movie here in a little bit. Alright, let's do it. Little wheelie. Okay, he stopped up there. Oh, patty cake. Man, if you say a Klx 140, right? L is what I had. And if you can't wheelie one, you're pretty shit at wheeling. I mean, it's a trail bike, of course. The front end's gonna be a little heavier, but like, it's still pretty easy to ride, man. I think, in my personal opinion, the 140 is one of the most like flexible beginner bikes. I don't know, it's such an amazing bike to me. I just love it. Let's get us a little stop in, and then we'll call it. We'll call it right there. I was thinking about jumping it, and then I just backed out on it. Fuck it. Fuck. Imagine I got clothesline. Let's wait for this car to go on by. Alright, let's double check this time. Oh my god, that's really scary to do. Stoppies is something I'm not very good at. I haven't really got that down just yet. I'm trying to get it. Woo! Please watch out, boys. A little dicky loop here. Oh my god, I saved that! Holy shit, no way I just saved that! Woo! Oh my god! Okay, let's call it there. Let's call it there. I just about fucking ate shit. Woo! It's getting a little slippery. Damn, I can feel my heart in my ass. Oh my god. Yeah, let's take a break. Let's take a break after that one. Let's definitely take a break after that one. Woo. Let's put her up. Hey, I hope y'all guys all enjoyed me riding. I hope you enjoyed my shitty ass jokes, and thank you. Come back. Hey, make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment. Comment dirt bike with a period. I'm being for real. Comment dirt bike with a period. And then that's how I know you're a real one, for real. But make sure you hit the notification button too. See your work tribe. It really does suck that we lost the addition to our family, Moochie. It's been tearing me down, I mean, honestly, but just prayers for Moochie. He's up in heaven now, you know. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. Goodbye.
The ignitions are on, lights start flashing and then I'm gone. Treading the dirt, I'm scorching the earth. You better watch out or you feel the burn. Engines are growling.